Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful 3D Easter Bunny dip powder nail design using Revel nail dip powders. If you are new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are these 4 Revel nail dip powders, which are Lush, Lola, Flirty and Ballet. Also this Azure Beauty Silver dip powder and Pro Dip clear dip powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Chiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Usually I would taper in the sides of the nails to reduce filing, but these nails are the extra long nails and to file them would be difficult because it's still flimsy. So it might cause some pain if I don't do it correctly. So I'll wait until I apply acrylic on the nails. This made the filing even longer. I low-key regretted it, but it's better than filing on flimsy nails and then it breaks. So now I apply base to half of the nail and then dip it into Super Nail Clear Acrylic. I use this to build my nails because it's not very clear, and also this is used as a protective layer for my natural nails. So afterwards I will apply base to the whole nail as well. So starting with the index finger, I'm just applying base to the whole nail and then sprinkling some of the Revel pink on my nails. I did a few layers of this. Keep in mind these nails are long, so I could apply a lot of layers and it wouldn't look so bad. So just know, usually for short nails I can apply about 4 to 5 layers. I only show myself doing 1 layer because it's the same thing over and over. So now on the middle finger, I'm doing a simple color block. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip into the purple and I leave it in there for 5 seconds, and then I dip it into the silver dip powder and so on and so on. I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 2 layers. So I decided to do this Easter theme nail design with the Jesus and the 3D bunny. This isn't my first time doing a 3D design with dip powder. I did one for Christmas, but this design was a little difficult for some reason. The bunny is a struggle bunny, you know, low-key it is a struggle bunny. I mean, I'm a perfectionist, so if it doesn't come out how I imagine, I kind of stress about it, which isn't good because, you know, nothing in life is perfect. Even one of the viewers, you know, told me that, but it's just me, you know, like I cannot help myself. If I envision something, I expect it to come out like that. So if it doesn't come out like that, you know, I'm like, what the hell, you know? But I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it. Everything in life isn't perfect. These things happen. So, okay, that is in my mind right now. So I'm trying my best. Now onto the ring finger, I'm just using base on the whole nail and then I'm applying the blue dip powder on my nails. The reason I brought out the long nails is because I felt like doing the most. Also, doing a 3D bunny on long nails is better. On this nail I did a few layers also. Oh, and now onto the pinky nail, I'm also doing another color block nail design. The original design I wanted to do was kind of impossible with dip powders, so I had to do a last minute change. I was kind of stumped for like 10 minutes wondering what the hell to put on this nail, but I figured it out eventually. So I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2. And also, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button down below and also comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. Oh, and I'm sorry for all the times that I'm not in frame. I didn't even realize that I wasn't in frame for some of these things. Now onto the thumbnail, I did another color block where I incorporated all of the colors. I did 4 layers of this, but I only showed 2 layers. The one thing about this is that the glitter gets everywhere. So, you know, you can't really stop that. That's glitter, you know. You want it to go a certain area and only there, and it decides to go everywhere else also. So, you know, you can't really stop that. You just have to be careful when doing it. Even if you're careful, it still happens. It is what it is. But it still looked nice, you know. Then I encapsulated the nails. I only showed myself doing 1 layer, but I did about 3 layers. I prefer my nails a little bulky and then file down just so that I don't file into my designs. Then I applied a generous amount of activator, waited until it hardened, and then began filing. So this is after filing and buffing, and I'm choosing the gel top coat. However, if you wanted to choose the powder top coat, you would apply more activator, wait a while, and then apply 2 layers of the powder top coat. But since I chose the gel top coat, I ensured that the nails were a little rough so that the top coat could adhere. Then I Then I cured for 60 seconds. So on my index finger, I'm going to be writing Jesus's name with some Model 1's blue gel polish, because Jesus is the reason for the season. He died for our sins and rose from the dead, so I thought I'd give him a little shout out. It's difficult making a 3D Jesus. I don't even know if it's possible. That's why I haven't done it as yet. I did a Santa Claus 3D, which was simple, but this one a little difficult. I don't know if the Santa Claus was a beginner's luck type of thing, but I got a hard time for some reason and my bow came out crazy. Anyway, I cured this here for 60 seconds. So this is what I'll be using to do my 3D bunny. Okay, so I'm just dipping the brush into the activator and then into the white dip powder and trying my best to get a smooth surface for the bunny's face. So I'm going to try to smoothen the face. If you see it's not getting smooth, then drench the brush and paste it over the area. It should get smooth afterwards. It was difficult to do this for some reason, and where you're seeing residue, all you have to do is the same thing, drench the brush in the activator and just clean the area where you want to clean. It's easy to come off. This 3D bunny was also inspired by Femi Beauty. She did it and I was like, I need to try this using dip powder. She did a great job, but I'm giving myself about a 4 out of 10 for this bunny. At least I tried, okay? It's better to try and fail than fail to try, right? My mother also said it's not bad, at least people could tell it's a bunny. So she didn't say it looked horrible, so that means she approved, I guess. So I'll be speeding up this process because it's too damn long. So when I get to the bow is where things went downhill even more. I really don't know what I was doing here. I tried, okay? I really tried. Also, when the bunny was completed, it was still kind of soft, so all I did was apply base to the bunny area and then sprinkle some clear dip powder. It wouldn't get super hard, but it would have a better structure that lasts. And also, when I finished, I applied top coat around the bunny area because I didn't like the matte look. Because before, when I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds, the top coat, I filed with a smooth buffer on the ring finger because I thought I wanted it matte. In my head, it looked good matte. But then when I placed the bunny on the ring finger, I realized it needed some shine. So that's why I went around the bunny with some gel top coat. So do you guys see how this this bow is coming out? Yes. I don't know what else doing here. I really do not know. So everything here, I guess it's self-explanatory, so that's why I'm staying quiet. I really have nothing else to really say, but all I could say here, right, is that, okay, I'm using a gel brush to do this, which is the wrong brush to use. I'm supposed to be using a 3D brush, but I do not have a 3D brush. So that is part of the reason this didn't really come out as planned. You know, it didn't come out amazing like it did in my head. And right here I'm using the cuticle pusher to, you know, try to revive my bow, because I realized that ain't it. But I couldn't do nothing else. I really couldn't. So yeah, I didn't have a 3D brush to do this design, so that probably made it a tad bit difficult too. And the fact that I'm not a professional, you know, I'm trying here, so this is the best I could do. Unfortunately, it still look good, you know. I would say it looked good. I tried. And also, since we are in quarantine, I wouldn't be able to, you know, order anything online, so I have to use what I got. Anyway, so I'm just applying cuticle oil to my nails. Well, to my cuticles, I mean. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!